Hey everyone, you are welcome to my channel Mr. Helper. Today I am going to show you how to play your own music in Grand Theft Auto San Andreas radio station, or you can also say how to add your own music in GTA San Andreas radio station. It's all up to you how you want to say it, all are same things. Okay, so this is a requested video. That means one of you have asked me a unique question in one of my video. So today Ayushman Gaming Z asked me, Mr. Helper, help me. When I put my songs in user track and scan it, it does not scan. Please help me. Make a video on it. No one made it. I hope Ayushman Gaming Z you are watching this video. Okay? Okay guys, so there is a few things that you have to make sure, otherwise the steps that I am about to show you will not gonna work in your case. Okay? So very first thing is that please make sure that you are not getting this error. So as you can see, if you are getting this error, you cannot save your game files, then this video will not gonna work for you. In that case, don't worry, I have already made 2 videos on this topic and I am going to leave those video links in the description box below. So please do check those videos first, fix your saving problem, then follow these steps, otherwise this video will not gonna work for you. Now the second thing is, this video is not for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Definitive Edition user. Because I don't have this game at the moment in my library, so I am not sure about it, but as much I understand, this will not gonna work if you are a Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Definitive Edition user. But if you are a Grand Theft Auto San Andreas old classic user, then this video is for you. Okay, the next thing is that make sure that your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas is not running right now. Okay, otherwise this process will not gonna work. The steps that I'm about to show you will not gonna work. Okay guys, if you want me to make a video on your topic, then feel free to comment it. Okay, I'm gonna make a video on it if I found it interesting, a unique one. Okay, so that's been said, let's get started. Okay, so what you have to do first is you have to visit my website, which is www.imamrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. Go and open the link. Okay, as you can see at the time of this recording, this post is at the first position, but as time will pass, this post will gonna move to the second position, then third position, and so on. Okay, so if you are watching this video after 2-3 months later, this post will be not here. In that case, what you have to do is simply click on this search button and type how to add music in. You got the point, right? You have to type this one. Just type it and search it. Okay. Now open the post. Okay. Once you open the post, you have to download few things first. Okay. So the very first thing is that you have to download one program which is a VLC media player. Okay. So download it by clicking on this link. And if you are a Windows 64-bit user, then click over here and download Windows 64-bit. If you are a 32-bit operating system user, then you have to click on this link. Okay, and things to be remembered guys, I forgot to mention, this video is not only for Windows 11 user. If you are a Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10 user, this process will be same for all of you. Okay, all users. So download it. Okay, this is weird. Okay. Now close the tab. Don't close my website. Okay, just minimize it. Okay, in my case, I have already installed my VLC media player. Okay, so I forgot to uninstall it. Don't worry, I'm gonna skip that part. I'm gonna uninstall it first and then I'm gonna show you how to install it. I want to make this video as detailed as possible so that I don't leave any doubt in your mind. Okay, if you know how to install it, just install it. Okay, Okay, I successfully uninstalled it. Okay, now let's install VLC Media Player. Double click. Select the language, click on next, read the license agreement. Yeah, read it. If you agree with that, then click on next. Now select the location. No, not location. Leave it as it is. These are the basic things. I don't think I have to explain it, but I'm gonna do it because I don't want to leave any doubt. Okay, so install it wherever you want to install. Okay, click on install. That's all you have to do. Okay, now let's run VLC Media Player. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to go to the location where have you stored all your music that you want to play in game. Okay, in my case I have kept all my music over here inside this folder. Okay, inside this folder. Okay, now the very first thing that many of you are making mistake. I know many of you tried already in lots of videos, that you have seen a lots of videos, and I know that you are getting the same problem. Everybody is saying that just copy and paste it in the user track and it will gonna work. No, it is not like that. The very first thing that you have to check is the select the music file that you want to play in the game. Right click, click on properties. Okay, click on properties and make sure that it is in .mp3 format. In my case, this is not an mp3 file. This is .wav file, and this file is not supported. Okay, if you want to play your music in game, then you have to make sure that the music file you are trying to play is in .mp3 format. This is the major problem that many of you are having. So that's why I have asked you to install VLC Media Player, because I think that's the easiest process. It is a free program which will help you to convert the music file to mp3 format. Let me show you how you can do that. I have lots of files, but I'm gonna select only 3 of these. Okay, you can select all of it, it's all up to you. Okay, now let me move it like this. Okay, now click on media. Now move your mouse over convert or save, click on it. Now click on add, or you can drag and drop it also like this. I'm gonna do that. Now click on convert or save. Now the very important thing is that please check this one, append dash converted. This will gonna all the files that you gonna convert will be stored in the same folder. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you to do this. Now click over here, this is a profile. Make sure you are selecting the correct one. Click on profile, then scroll down and select audio-mp3. Don't select any of other formats. Okay, please select mp3 because I asked you, because I told you before that if you want to play your music in Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, you have to make sure that you are having .mp3 format music file, otherwise it is not supported. So click on start, and as you can see, one converted, second one converted, and the third one is converted, almost converted, right? Okay, I'm gonna move these 3 converted files to a different folder, to this folder. Okay, now if you want, you can rename it also, it's all up to you. There is a bonus at the end of this video. I'm gonna ask you to do one more thing to save a lot of space in your C drive. Okay guys, now one more thing guys. Yeah, let me ask you to subscribe my channel guys. Click on this link, your support is required. Click on this link and please do make sure to subscribe my channel guys. Please do subscribe. Okay, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, Tumblr. Please do support. Okay, I want your subscription guys. If you don't subscribe me, I'm not gonna make any more videos guys. So please do subscribe. Click on this link to subscribe. Okay, or you can subscribe directly from the video also, it's all up to you. Okay guys, so once you converted all your files to mp3, let's check it out. Right click on properties, and this time make sure that this is in .mp3 format. In my case it is. Okay, please verify it. Okay, all your files are converted into mp3 format or not, please check it. Okay, it is. Okay, now what you have to do is copy. No, don't copy it. If you want to copy, it's up to you. I'm gonna copy it. because at the end of this video I'm gonna show you one bonus trick. Okay, there's a bonus also, that's why I'm asking you to copy. Okay, just copy it. Now simply open your this PC, okay, and click on documents. Okay, or you can simply, if your document is not over here, then what you have to do is click over here anywhere and type document and press enter. Now there will be a folder named as GTA San Andreas user files. Open it. Inside this folder there will be a folder named as user tracks. If there's no folder named as user tracks, create it by yourself. Okay, now paste it over here. Okay, let's try. Does it work or not? Open your game. Yeah, open it. I know guys, this is a quite long video, but guess what, I like to explain each and everything in pretty detail so that I don't leave any doubt in your mind. I want to make a video in which once you watch the video, you don't have to watch any other video. Okay, now before you do anything, the very first thing that you should do is click on options, audio setup. I'm gonna mute this. Okay, it has been muted. Now click on user track options, turn this on, automatic media scan, turn it on and scan the user tracks. That's all you have to do. Now go back. I have intentionally muted this. As you can see, my music is playing. This is my music. Okay, oh boy. As you can see, my music is playing. Okay, one thing make sure to do is, please make sure to turn it on. Okay, maybe some you are having like this also. Okay, so please turn it on like this. Okay, so this is how you can add your own music in your game. But wait, don't go. There's a shortcut. There's a, I didn't mean to say shortcut. There's a easy method to do this. Okay, there is some internet problem in my case. Okay, offline mode. Oh boy. Okay, never mind. Okay, so the next thing is that I know there's one problem. If you didn't find it yet, let me explain it. Look, in my case, if I want to add all this music, which is 30 music, okay, maybe you want to add over 100 music in your user track. In that case, this size will be around 1.5 GB and it is not a good idea to keep all your music file in your C drive. I think it is a waste of storage because everybody installs their operating system in their SSD and I don't want to waste my space. Don't want to waste my SSD space by adding my music in my C drive. Okay, I think you got my point, right? You are wasting your space. Okay, if you put all your hundreds of music over here, it will gonna increase the, take the space. So the shortcut way to do this is not shortcut. Why do I always say shortcut? To do this, what you have to do is, first of all, convert all your music in .mp3 format, as I explained before. Okay, now once you converted it, create a folder named as whatever you want to. It's not that important. Okay, just create a separate folder. Inside that, paste all your music. Okay, please make sure that you are having all the music in .mp3 format. Okay, once you done it, what you have to do is go to documents once again, GTA San Andreas user files, user track, delete all these musics. Okay, delete it. Now get back to the mp3 folder that we have created. Okay, open it, and now right click on send to shortcut. Create a shortcut of all these mp3 files. Okay, so definitely this is a correct way to add your own music. Now what you have to do is go back to your documents, same folder, okay, and paste these music files, these shortcut files like this. Okay, now you can play your game and play your music in your user track. Okay, so this is the correct way to play your music by saving your space in your C drive. Okay, as you can see, I am having only 3 music file over here. Okay, the total size is 6.75 MB, but still at least I'm saving quite a lot amount of space in my C drive. I'm not using any C drive space, not wasting any space. Okay, so this is how you can play your music in GTA San Andreas radio station. Guys, I know you want to go. No, don't go, please wait. Support my second channel also, guys. Support my second channel. Yes, I have a second channel also named as Spapno. Okay, and how it's possible that I forgot to mention my second channel name over here. Let me show you my second channel. Oh boy, I don't have internet, boy. Okay, my second channel name is Spapno. Okay, let me show you what is the name of this channel. This is my second channel. My second channel name is Spapno. Okay, click on this link to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, Tumblr. And if you want to subscribe, oh sorry, there is the second channel. Okay, this is the link. Sorry. Okay, don't forget to support my second channel as well. Okay, click on this link to support my second channel, and click on this link to support my this channel, Mr. Helper. Okay, so please do support on my both channel. I really want to get your subscription. Please support me. Okay, and yes, check out my other related posts like how to install wide screen fix on GTA Vice City, how to download GTA save files. Wow, 640 and 480 video mode error. I made lots of videos on this topic, and there's a playlist also. I have created a separate playlist. Okay, so yeah guys, so this is how you can add your music in GTA San Andreas. Okay, there are video mentioned. Okay, let me mention this. Okay, so I have made 2 videos. As I mentioned that if you're having the save failed error problem, then click on these 2 links. This is a 2021 and 2022. I made this video on 2020, not 2020. I made this video. These two also, both of these 2 video works, but I explain a different method in this one and different methods in this one. Okay, same thing with this one. Okay, so guys, I don't want to keep you waiting. I don't want to take your more time. Okay, so subscribe to my this channels, Mr. Helper, and subscribe to my second channel, Spapno. Okay, that's all I want. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.